Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum, and welcome to this quick walkthrough of story number 1 from Qasas on Nabiyeen. In this video, we will go through a translation and we'll pick apart some grammar and vocabulary as well. So inshallah, whatever level you are on your Arabic learning journey, you can take some benefit. So the section of this story is Man kasara al-asnam. Man kasara al-asnam. Who broke the idols? Man means who. It's harf istifham. Kasara is the verb to break. Kasara. Yaksiru is its mudari'. Al-asnam, idols. Asnam is maf'ul bih. It's the object of the kasara. That's why it has the fatha ending it is mansub. So story number 1. Ba'i'ul Asnam. Ba'i means seller. Asnam is idols, so Ba'i'ul Asnam is idol seller. And just worthy of mention, Asnam is a plural, its singular form is Sa-na-mun. So قبل أيام كثيرة جدا. قبل أيام, before days, كثيرة, many. So many days ago. كثيرة جدا, very many days ago. Qabla is, as we know, is a dharf. Ayam is therefore majroor. Kathira is a sifa, it is a adjective of this. Kana fi qaryatin rajulun mashhurun jiddan. There was in a village, kana was fi qaryatin, in a village, rajulun mashhurun, a man famous, jiddan. So there was in a village or a town a very famous man. وكان اسم هذا الرجل آزارة. وكان اسم, the name of this man was Azar. وكان, and was, ism, name, هذا الرجل, this man, Azar. So Azar is his name, and it is mansub because it is the khabar of kana. وكان آزار يبيع الأصنام, and used to, Azar, so Azar used to sell asnam, meaning Azar used to sell idols. As we can see here, Azar is marfu' because it is the ism of kana, whereas here in the previous example, Azar is mansub because it's the khabar of kana. So from this we can learn that the ism of kana is marfu', khabar is mansub. And it's also worth to note as well, kana yabi' means used to sell. So if we ever have the word kana and then a fi'l mudari', it comes in the meaning of istimrar, meaning continuous. So Azar used to sell idols, meaning he didn't just sell them once, it was his routine. He often used to sell idols. Yani that's his profession. He's an idol seller. He is Ba'i' al-Asnam. وكان في هذه القرية بيت كبير جدا. And in this village or town was a very big house. So وكان, and was, في, in, هذه القرية, this village or this town, بيت كبير جدا, a very big house. وكان في هذا البيت أصنام. أصنام كثيرة جدا. So in this house there were idols. أصنام كثيرة جدا, many idols, very many idols. We can see here كثيرة because أصنام is a plural, and from a grammatical perspective, non-intelligent, yani non-sentient plurals, جمع غير عاقل, in the Arabic language are treated as single feminine. So it's أصنام كثيرة, not أصنام كثيرون. وكان الناس يسجدون لهذه الأصنام. So the people, الناس, so وكان, and used to, الناس, the people, يسجدون لهذه الأصنام. يسجدون means to prostrate, and if you prostrating to something, it's always followed by this harf jar, this preposition, this particle li. هذه الأصنام. So وكان الناس يسجدون لهذه الأصنام, and the people used to prostrate to these idols. وكان آزر يسجد لهذه الأصنام, and Azar used to prostrate to these idols also. The verb يسجد is مضارع. The ماضي of it is سجد. So سجد يسجد سجودا. وكان آزر يعبد هذه الأصنام, and Azar used to يعبد, he used to worship هذه الأصنام. So وكان آزر يعبد هذه الأصنام. Azar used to worship these idols. يعبد means to worship. It is also a فعل مضارع. The ماضي, the past tense of it is عبد. And as we mentioned before, these verbs here are فعل مضارع with كان before them in the meaning of continuous. So وكان آزر يسجد لهذه الأصنام means Azar used to prostrate to these idols. وكان آزر يعبد هذه الأصنام means Azar used to worship these idols. And that is it for story number 1. Inshallah, join us in the next class as well. But with that, that's it from me. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama.